Hey everybody, I got one little last thing to unbox. It kind of goes with the last thing I opened, and this is kind of nostalgic, but what we have here is a VCR cleaner, a head cleaner. Remember these from back in the day? So the reason I bought this is because I want to try that video converter I just did a video on. So if you're still with me on that, you want to check this out. I'm really happy to show you this. And this is like back in the day when your heads were dirty on your video cassette recorder. You'd put a tape in, you put the tape in and you clean it and you go back and forth like 3 or 4 times and it would clean the heads. I don't know how it really works. I'm not sure exactly what this cloth is for, but this is the card that comes with it for those of you that like to see those kind of things. All right, and it tells you the directions, which is obviously insert the VHS cleaner into the player, press the play button. It is recommended to clean for 30 to 60 seconds. Repeat the process. Repeating the process can make a better effect. This product can be reused 30 times, which is way more than I'm going to need it, because once I'm done with the tapes I have, I am just going to get rid of it. Now this is a dry cleaner, all right, a dry cleaner. If it was a wet cleaner, there'd be a bottle of solution, which is really kind of like isopropyl alcohol. You would put in a hole here, get the cleaning head wet, and it would go to town. And it says, the microfiber cloth is an additional accessory. It does not need to be used with the VHS cleaning tape. You can use it for wiping TV screens and whatnot. So they give you a little extra free gift. It'd be good as an eyeglass cleaner or something, right? So that's it. This is old school VHS head cleaner. So we'll actually use that and we'll do a show of the improvement in quality on this from a before and after perspective. Okay? Thanks for watching.